logarithm, right? So second law, that is quotient law, right? Quotient law. Now quotient law says that if you have log x over y base a, if you have log s over y base a, is the same thing as log. You take it, you separate it like we have been separating it. You separate it. Take the first one, log s. They have the same base, the base a. This divided sign will turn to what? Minus, right? Turn to minus. Then take the second one, log y base a. So it's very simple. Wherever you see log s over y base a, it will give you. You separate it, log s base a minus log y base a. It's very simple. Let's move to example 1, right? So let's say you are given log 100, right, divided by 10 base what? 10. Log 100 divided by 10 base 10. So now I said you will separate the parameters. That will be log 100 base 10. This divided sign will turn to what? Minus log 10, right? This 10 base 10. They have the same base. Do you understand? Now, what are you going to do? Under your, what's it called? Your logarithm table, log 100 base 10. I say you check 100 under base 10, you get 2.000, right? Check it, you get it. Then log 10 base 10 will give you 1.000, right? So 2.00 minus 1.00 will give you what? 1. Am I right? So that's the answer. So let's move on to example 2. Let's say you are given log 50 divided by 2 base 10, right? So now I say you separate it. That will be log 50 base 10, right, minus log 2 base 10. Under your logarithm table, log 50 base 10 will give you what? Like I said, go to 50 under 10. That's your answer, 1.6989, right, minus log 2 base 10 will give you what? 0.3010, right? So minus it, what will you get? That will be what? 1.3979. So that's the answer. It's very, very simple. You see, you have watched this video to this time, and you have not subscribed. It's not good now. Subscribe and like my video. Also share with your friends. Let me give you takeaway. Now, first question says simplify log 100 base 10 minus log 4 base minus log 4 base 10. Do you understand? And second question says evaluate log 81 base 10 minus log 9 base 10. Thank you. Bye bye.